The number of overseas students studying in the UK universities has increased to 330,000. This means 1 in 7 of the total, and Hong Kong is one of the top 10 countries of origin. According to research from the BBC, there are about 9,000 Hong Kong students studying in the UK. In this documentary, we're going to find out how Hatfield has affected the lives of Hong Kong students. Do they like Hatfield? Are there any problems during the education at Hatfield?
咁其實啱啱嚟到英國嘅時候，其實初時係好好奇對每個地方，因為未見過，咁你會好好奇啦。但係當1、2個禮拜過去咗之後，其實就會開始慢慢掛住屋企，因為你日日自己韞住喺間房度，你冇嘢做，咁你見得屋企人嘅相多，自然你就會掛住你屋企人，跟住就成日喺間房度喊咯，因為覺得唔知做乜啊，又未識到朋友，咁就特別掛住屋企人咯。其實過咗嚟冇耐啦，咁其實都聽到身邊啲中國朋友或者係亞洲人都講話其實喺我哋 Hatfield 其實都好危險，因為嗰啲年輕人其實都會成日即係主要係針對中國人嚟做攻擊嘅對象咯。咁其實我出街嘅時候都特別會小心啲，一到夜晚都唔會出街啫，通常都係揀晏晝或者朝早時間出去嘅。咁嗰次我去 Asda 買完嘢翻嚟，咁經過個游泳池啦，咁就有一班嗰啲應該年青人咁樣，大約 around 10零歲咁樣啦，咁佢就喺後邊揾個足球踢埋嚟，咁啱啱我就踩咗足球就冇跌低啦。有一個年青人就喺後邊用手拍我個頭啦，然之後就見我都冇反應，咁佢就用個足球離遠咁射埋過嚟，然之後就將我哋啲膠袋啊嗰啲全部就整跌晒咯。跟住咁我哋其實都有鬧翻佢，咁佢原來大家就喺條街度喺度嘈交咁樣咯。
It is unfortunate that there is some bullying and there is occasionally some hate crime. There's not a lot. The University of Hertfordshire is the 4th safest university in the country, but there is some. So the way we do this is we have an agreement with the police that if there is any bullying or if there is any hate crime, we really want the students to report it as soon as it happens.
發生咗呢件事之後，其實我好驚，我唔明點解嗰啲本土嗰啲年青人會針對我哋中國人嚟作為攻擊對象。啱啱放假咁，身邊啲朋友走晒，咁得翻自己喺間房度，就成日都胡思亂想咯，好驚出街，好驚會又撞到，即唔知會唔會仲有啲好嚴重嘅事會發生咯。就連煮飯啊，所有都唔敢出去見人，就係韞住自己喺間房度咯。
The best advice I would give to students is, firstly, try to not get involved and listen to the safety talk. But and it would be very upsetting if it does happen. But if it does happen, make sure you report it to the police.
即係你普遍嚟講都會中意呢度啦。
OK 啦，我覺得 OK 啦。你既然咁樣講法係咪先？
會話你嘅3年會而家都畢業啦，咁會唔會話有啲嘢唔捨得咁？
唔捨得呢度開始落啲咯。
係咯，
唔捨得呢度自由啲咯。咁你香港唔係因為爸爸媽喺度噶嘛，你唔可以隨便你想去邊。但呢度唔係喎，你只要去有啲做乜噶咯。我唔洗衫就唔洗衫，我係洗衫唔接就唔接，我洗完唔撈就係唔撈。喺香港你唔可以。
其他人咧有啲咩唔捨得咧？
我唔捨得係
我
唔捨得係我想揾機會喺度試先。即係我而家我冇咗機會喺呢度留喺度試，即係我一定要讀完佢都走，所以有啲唔捨得係呢啲嘢。自由又唔關事，不嬲都唔自由。
呢度感覺上同香港真係好大分別嘅，即係我只可以話最難忘就係呢樣嘢啦。突然間冇咗啲親人身邊啊嗰種，即係可能你會就算你有幾去邊度啦，你依然會 feel 到啲孤獨嘅感覺啦。係啦，哇！實在係
仲有班新嘅朋友幾多咯。OK。
我覺得最開心呢5年嚟咗英國，我個人長大咗。
你講邊度？
仲有就係識咗個好好嘅男朋友啦，多謝。
我嚟到最
我。
我都係最掛住屋企人嘅其實。
去英國最好啊，識到班朋友啦。樣嘢都可以搞，即係識到班好真嘅朋友咧，就係、一定係最好、最開心，好過讀書。
係啦，你可以繼續講落去㗎。
好紅啊！翻面飲醉酒。